Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 and a half Forestriver R-Pod 195. And yes, I said 2020 and a half. If you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know there's an early version of an RV that comes out usually around April time frame, March, April, and then there is a mid-year model change. This is one of the first units to come off the assembly line with a lot of the mid-year model change features. So I want to take a few minutes, walk you through this one, and kind of show you a couple little new features to it. One of the biggest things you're going to see here on this model is the new windshield in the front. So you have a window in the front. Right over here, this is the early version of the camper, and it did not have that window in the front. So that is one of the things you're going to notice difference on the unit. Power tongue jack, single 20-pound propane tank. There is a propane line down there, so you can hook up a portable grill if you want. Lower diamond plate metal. They're keeping the gray fiberglass exterior. Power awning. Does have the adjustable arms. Also has an LED light strip built into the tube up there, you can see. Pass-through storage across the front. You can also get a little outside sliding removable grill slash sink system that is available for the unit if you like that feature. Does come standard with the little sprayer faucet system right there. The fenders on the side changed a little bit. Not a huge difference, but those did change up some. Still have the 15-inch tires, the better torsion flex suspension. Black tank flush fitting right there. Outside electric outlet. 2 speakers on the exterior. Your porch light also up there. Folding entry handle. Screen door, entry door. Double step going in and out of the coach. The unit has 4 stabilizer jacks, or scissor jacks sometimes referred as. One on each corner basically. Spare tire and cover and mount on the back bumper. Standard 4-inch squared tube bumper. Good place to store dump hose. 6-gallon gas electric water heater. Refrigerator panel for maintenance back here. Ladder to get up on the roof. Furnace exhaust out back here. Electric slide, so you just push a button for it to go in and out. Power cord on the back corner here is where it plugs in. Cable satellite hookups. The rear sink, because this is a rear kitchen model, dumps back here. And then you have a bathroom dump up here for the bathroom, shower, and toilet. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of these new videos on the new models coming in and out. City water, fresh water hookups right here. Some basic spec information on the camper. You got your VIN number here. Gross vehicle weight, 4,790 pounds. Single axle, 4,400 pounds. You also have hitch weight. Hitch weight gets added on to this, so that's where you get your difference in weight. Not all of the weight of an RV sits on the axle. That is what the tongue or hitch is for. Part of that is distributed across to that section right there. Be sure to also check us out, couchesrvnation.com, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. We're going to take a few minutes and go to the inside of the coach now. All right, guys, we're now inside this brand new 2020 and a half R-Pod 195, looking toward the front of the coach. So you can see you've got your walk-around queen bed up there, the new window up in the front section right there. Lets in a lot more natural light. Windows on both sides of the bed again. The windows on the sides of the bed do open and let in a nice cross breeze there. The window in the front does not open. There's night shades that pull down over all the windows there. Hanging closet on both sides of the bed. Does have the little LED backlighting inside of there. Plenty of room to maneuver and walk around the bed area here that you can see. On both sides of the bed, there's an electric outlet and USB charging station also. The bed again raises up, so you have storage underneath of there. We're going to step back for a second here and raise that up just so you can kind of see what it looks like. But room underneath of there, so you can store some things down there. Now, the bed framing and stuff is made out of wood. However, the body of the coach is made out of aluminum tubes. I get that question sometimes from people when they are kind of looking at the videos. You can see here the propane leak detector down there on the left. You have a U-shaped dinette, which does make into a bed. Little freestanding table you can use inside or out. Overhead cabinets in the slide section here. They do raise up. They have the little shock holders on them to kind of keep it up out of the way so it don't fall down and hit you. The nicer Euro hinges on the cabinets there just gives it a little bit cleaner look. Digital thermostat there for your furnace and your air conditioner. Light switch on the wall for the bathroom light. Now, one of the big changes on this model for inside is going to be the door that you're seeing here on the bathroom. It is now a sliding pocket door. So that did change. You can see it right here. And the old version, the door swung open. However, it would kind of interfere a little bit with the dinette table and stuff here. And customers didn't really like that, kind of complained about it a little bit. So the factory changed it to a pocket door. That also makes it a little easier to get in and out of here when you are just kind of stopping at a rest area or something and want to come in and use your bathroom. Now, the shower stall has the pull across curtain section there. It's on a track in the bottom and top, but it's a shower pan. There's also a skylight up above. The larger, fantastic fan there. That really helps exhaust out all the moisture and everything. Good sized medicine cabinet. Your electric outlet down there. Sink, some storage underneath of there. Foot flush toilet. But there's room to actually get in and use the bathroom comfortably in the 195 and 196 model, where some of the other R-Pod models are a wet bath and it's kind of an all-in-one situation. Kind of panning back up here, looking toward the rear of the coach. You're going to have the convection microwave back there, which is now also standard. Used to be an option, so that is now a standard feature. The 195 and 196 actually have the 6 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. The other slide models of R-Pods now are going to have a 5 cubic foot gas electric fridge, and the non-slides are going to have a 3.7 three-way refrigerator that they've always had years past. So refrigerators are also going to be changing a little differently on the mid-year model changes now. Another new feature that is part of mid-year model change is the central vac system. It's called a road vac by Intervac Design. And basically they did this so you get that dustpan vac down there. You can use a broom, sweep that right in, and hit the button. If you want to use the actual hose vac part of it, you do have to purchase the hoses separately. That is something you can get on Intervac's website. Furnace down below, storage down here, the little LED light below the sink, full extending ball bearing drawer guides. There's also a switch here now that's a little different. That's for either the microwave or the central vac. So you can flip it back and forth depending on what you're wanting to use. 2-burner stovetop with the glass stovetop cover. Nice big sink. I believe it's about 18 inches across roughly, somewhere right around there, 16, 18 inches. High-rise faucet, big window looking out the back. Again, does open. Over here on this side, you have the pantry. Nice big pantry on this model. Has adjustable shelves, so you can kind of play around with the height of what you want there. But that is part of the slide out, so it goes in and out with the unit. Now we're going to spin around here again, looking toward the door. Now this part also changed a little bit due to rearranging the bathroom door system. They actually took out the little cubby hole that was back there with a secondary outdoor table. So that is now gone on the mid-year model change version. The pet-friendly bowl thing still down there, your fire extinguisher down there, and you got the little coat hooks and stuff here now. There's your controls for your monitor panel and stuff here, water pump, water heater, some indoor-outdoor controls for some lighting and stuff like that. Slide-out awning, again, power awning on this model. And it's pre-wired to the roof for the solar panel system. That is an option you can purchase. If you do purchase this solar panel system from R-Pod when we order the camper, it also comes with a 1,000-watt inverter that works the electric outlets in the coach. Up top there also is the 13.5 BTU air conditioning system, which is now standard. Used to be an option again, but it's now a standard feature. Most dealers usually stocked it with it, but it was technically an option when ordering. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in keeping up with more of our videos. Toll-free number 888-417-8299, extension 203. Thanks for checking us out, guys, at Couch's RV Nation.